It's been a while. I am doing another vacuum movie right now. So I've chosen 3 of my vacuums: my Sanitaire, my Kirby, and my Hoover wind tunnel that I have not chosen to disassemble. I have actually chosen to keep it, or if anyone wants it, hit me up. I'm going to be starting with the Hoover, my Sanitaire, and then my Kirby. Or wait, maybe I'll do the Kirby next. I don't know, depends on how much film I have. I have dumped crap all over the floor. It's crap that came out of these vacuums. So, let's get it started. Wow, that worked pretty good. I'll clean that out after the video. Don't want to run out of time. Alright, you know what, I'm gonna do the Kirby next. So, let's hit it. Well, picked up pretty good. Let's spread this out a little bit more than it is. Okay. Now time for the Sanitaire. My greatest find at the best vacuum store for $20. Well, that worked. I don't know what that noise was in the fan. Probably a screw or something. But I'm going to finish it up with the Kirby. Alright. Show it. Alright, that worked pretty good. Next I'm looking for a Sanitaire SC899. If any of you have one you would like to get rid of, please tell me in the comments area. I need more comments.